What if I told you that the secret to rejuvenating your leg strength isn't found in the gym or a pharmacy, but right in your kitchen? Imagine waking up with renewed vigor, ready to take on stairs with ease and confidence. In today's episode, we're unveiling a surprising nutritional powerhouse that can transform your leg strength in as little as 12 hours. For many, the gradual decline in leg strength is met with resignation. We often chalk it up to an unavoidable part of aging. The feeling of slowness, persistent fatigue, and weakening muscles can erode not only your mobility but your independence and confidence. However, what if we challenge that notion with compelling scientific evidence? Recent studies illuminate a powerful truth. It's not just the passage of time impacting our neuromuscular health, it's what we're, or aren't, putting into our bodies. We've discovered that a single type of food, consumed at the right time and in the right combination, can significantly bolster muscle function and vitality. In this episode, we will unravel these findings, bringing to light the science of how dietary choices can be a game changer for maintaining and enhancing your physical autonomy. Stay with us as we take a closer look at the cutting-edge research that uncovers how specific nutrients play a pivotal role in muscle repair and neuromuscular efficiency. We will introduce you to the vital components needed to spark this transformation and guide you through a step-by-step process to leverage the power of food. Whether you're looking to maintain your current strength or regain the vigor you've lost, you'll learn practical and actionable steps that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Discover how your own kitchen can become the newest tool in your wellness arsenal, providing lasting leg strength and resilience. Join us as we delve into this exciting science, equipping you with the knowledge and strategy to transform your leg health and, by extension, your independence and confidence. The surprising kitchen secret to stronger legs. Welcome to today's episode, where we're about to uncover an unexpected secret that could transform your leg strength and vitality. Imagine waking up with the same energy and stability you had years ago, tackling stairs with ease and moving with newfound confidence. What if I told you the key to this transformation isn't a magical workout or a miracle pill, but something you likely already have in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right. Recent groundbreaking studies have revealed that a simple dietary change can rejuvenate your leg muscles, boosting neuromuscular performance in as little as 12 hours. This isn't just about maintaining mobility, it's about reclaiming your independence, your energy, and ultimately, your quality of life. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the science behind this astonishing discovery. We'll explore how certain nutrients found in everyday foods can combat the factors that truly lead to muscle decline, not merely advancing age, as commonly believed. So, if you've ever felt that your legs aren't as strong or responsive as they used to be, or if you've attributed those changes solely to aging, prepare to be surprised. Stick with us as we illuminate this fascinating interplay between diet, neuromuscular health, and leg strength. By the end, you'll walk away empowered, equipped with practical steps to incorporate into your daily routine, right from your kitchen. The science of neuromuscular rejuvenation. When many of us experience muscle loss or diminished leg strength, we often attribute these changes solely to the aging process. It's a narrative commonly accepted by society. As the years stack up, our bodies supposedly decline at an inevitable rate. But what if this isn't the full picture? Recent scientific explorations suggest that age itself isn't the primary driver behind muscle degeneracy. Instead, chronic cellular undernourishment, persistent low-grade inflammation, and misaligned circadian rhythms are emerging as more significant culprits affecting our neuromuscular health. With age, people might experience poor nutrition as metabolism changes or food absorption declines. This cellular undernourishment can leave muscles and neural pathways deprived of the essential nutrients they need to function optimally. Coupled with low-grade inflammation, often spurred by factors like stress, poor diet, or lack of physical activity, our bodies are caught in a cycle that exacerbates weakness and fatigue. Lastly, modern lifestyles have thrown our natural circadian rhythms off balance, disrupting the body's biological clock and hindering crucial restorative processes that typically occur at night. A standout 2023 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition brings a beacon of hope, challenging the inevitability of muscle decline with age. This study revealed that participants, particularly those over 50, experienced notable improvements in muscle protein synthesis and mitochondrial activity when they adhered to a nutrient-rich evening diet. These dietary adjustments not only fostered more energy production at the cellular level but also enhanced neuromuscular performance by the very next morning. This research emphasizes that muscle deterioration with age may not be an unstoppable force, but instead can be managed, and even improved, through targeted nutritional strategies. Practical tips. So, how do we harness this knowledge for our benefit? Enter leucine, a pivotal amino acid that serves as an anabolic trigger, a key player in rebuilding and maintaining muscle tissue. Leucine has a critical role in activating the mTOR, mammalian target of rapamycin, pathway, which orchestrates muscle protein synthesis, akin to a central command center for muscle growth and repair. For older adults, whose muscles can become more resistant to growth signals with age, leucine provides a potent counterbalance. This amino acid has been shown to compensate for this resistance, enabling the activation of mTOR and promoting muscle synthesis even when other growth stimuli dim. By incorporating leucine-rich foods, such as whey protein, eggs, poultry, or legumes into our diets, especially during the evening when the body enters its natural restorative phase, we can significantly influence our body's ability to repair and grow muscle tissue. This dietary adjustment could translate to stronger, more responsive leg muscles, defying the typical trajectory of aging and restoring vitality to our steps. Restoring neuromuscular connectivity. Our bodies are marvels of bioengineering, with each movement dependent on a sophisticated dance between our nervous and muscular systems. At the heart of this dance are motor neurons, the crucial nerve cells responsible for conveying signals from the brain and spinal cord directly to our muscles. These signals instruct muscles to contract, allowing us to move efficiently and maintain balance. However, as we age, a disconnect can occur within this system. Specifically, motor neurons can suffer from degeneration or reduced efficacy, resulting in diminished signal strength and coordination. This disconnect is often mistaken as muscle atrophy, a reduction in muscle size, yet it's more about communication failure than actual muscle loss. The muscles remain but are underutilized due to the weakened or inconsistent signals. This is why many older adults experience unsteadiness or an increased risk of falls, despite having enough muscle mass. The root of the problem lies in the declined transmission of neuromuscular signals, which if restored, can reinvigorate both muscle strength and stability. Practical strategy. To bridge this gap and restore efficient signaling between nerves and muscles, we turn our attention to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for muscle contraction and coordination. Acetylcholine acts as the chemical messenger that translates intentions to actions, allowing us to move seamlessly. Unfortunately, with age, the production of acetylcholine, as well as the sensitivity of its receptors, tends to diminish, particularly affecting the motor neurons connected to our legs. An effective strategy to tackle this deficit is to focus on boosting acetylcholine production by incorporating its precursor, choline, into our diet. Choline is essential for synthesizing acetylcholine and restoring robust neuromuscular communication. For a practical approach, consider starting the day with a choline-rich breakfast. Foods such as eggs, particularly egg yolks, are among the richest natural sources of choline. Just 2 whole eggs in the morning can provide over 300 milligrams of choline, sufficient to significantly bolster acetylcholine levels and enhance neuromuscular function. Pair this with a leucine-rich protein source like whey or cottage cheese for an even more potent effect, as leucine contributes to muscle protein synthesis while choline enhances neuromuscular signaling. This simple morning routine can recalibrate your system, leading to improved coordination, stability, and muscle responsiveness throughout the day. For those following plant-based diets, alternatives like quinoa, Brussels sprouts, and soybeans can also offer substantial choline, ensuring that this strategy is accessible for everyone seeking to restore and enhance their leg strength and function. Practical implementation, a step-by-step nutritional strategy. To unlock the full potential of your neuromuscular health, integrating leucine-rich and choline-rich foods into your daily diet is key. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you maximize these nutrients. 1. Morning. Kickstart with choline and protein. Include a source of choline to boost acetylcholine production. Aim for foods like eggs or fortified grains. Combine with whey protein or plant-based alternatives for a leucine-rich start. Timing: consume within 1 hour of waking for optimal utilization during the day. 2. Midday, maintain with balanced nutrients. Integrate a lean protein source like chicken or turkey, rich in leucine, into your lunch. Add whole grains or green vegetables like broccoli to maintain choline intake. Timing, center around midday to maintain constant nutrient delivery. 3. Evening, enhance recovery and rebuild. Choose dinner options rich in both leucine and choline, such as a salmon or tofu stir-fry with quinoa. Include leafy greens or legumes to ensure a wholesome nutrient spectrum. Timing, consume 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to support overnight muscle synthesis and recovery. Sample meal plan. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach. 2 whole eggs choline. Handful of spinach. 1 slice of whole grain toast. Roll, eggs provide choline to support acetylcholine levels. Spinach adds fiber and iron. Protein shake. Whey protein or soy protein for plant-based mixed with almond milk. Roll, supplies leucine to kickstart muscle protein synthesis. Lunch, grilled chicken salad. 4 ounces grilled chicken breast leucine. Mixed greens with a variety of vegetables. 1 serving of quinoa choline. Roll, chicken provides leucine, while quinoa contributes additional choline. Snack, hummus with carrot sticks. Contains chickpeas, which are a decent source of choline. Roll, maintains choline intake between meals. Dinner, salmon with quinoa and broccoli. 5-ounce salmon fillet leucine. 1 cup quinoa. Steamed broccoli. Roll, salmon enriches the meal with omega-3 fatty acids and leucine, while quinoa and broccoli offer choline for neuromuscular support. Optional evening snack. Cottage cheese with berries. Provides casein protein leucine. Roll, supports slow protein digestion, beneficial for overnight recovery. By following this structured approach, you're not just consuming foods, you're strategically fueling your body to optimize neuromuscular health. Each meal is designed to ensure you receive key nutrients at times when your body can best use them, leading to enhanced strength, coordination, and overall vitality. Keep track of your progress and adjust portions to fit your caloric needs and activity level. Remember, consistency is essential, and these small nutritional adjustments can lead to significant long-term benefits. In the realm of personal transformation, nothing speaks louder than real-life stories. Here are a couple of case studies from individuals who have experienced remarkable improvements in their leg strength and mobility after embracing the nutritional strategies we've discussed. 1. Case Study 1, Maria's Journey to Strength. Maria, a 67-year-old retired teacher, had been struggling with climbing stairs and maintaining her balance during her daily walks. She followed a consistent routine of incorporating eggs and leafy greens into her breakfast and salmon or chicken into her dinners. Within just weeks, Maria noticed a significant boost in her energy levels and an improved ease in leg movements. By 6 weeks, not only was she confidently climbing stairs without using the handrail, but she was also enjoying longer, more adventurous hikes with her husband. 2. Case Study 2, John's Path to Recovery. John, a 72-year-old former marathon runner, faced neuromuscular decline after a recent surgery, leaving his legs weaker and less responsive. He embraced the leucine-rich and choline-focused diet, including protein shakes and quinoa salads, daily. Over the span of 2 months, John regained greater stability and flexibility, enabling him to return to his beloved morning jogs, albeit at a gentler pace. His testimonial highlighted the gratifying feeling of reclaiming parts of his routine he feared were lost forever. These stories are more than just testimonials. They are testaments to the powerful impact diet can have on reversing perceived age-related declines. To those of you starting your journey or even considering it, take inspiration from Maria and John. The key is to start where you are with what you have. Here's a bit of guidance to ensure you see meaningful progress. Track your progress. Keep a journal or digital log where you record your physical activities, meal plans, and any noticeable changes in strength, endurance, or mobility. Regular reflection can help you stay motivated and aware of the improvements you may not notice daily. Celebrate small wins. Progress can sometimes be gradual, so celebrate each milestone. Whether it's walking that extra block or reducing reliance on a walking aid, each step forward is a victory. Stay consistent and patient. The transformations you're striving for don't happen overnight. Consistency in following your nutritional plan and engaging in regular physical activities will bring about the results you desire. Share your journey with friends, family, or a community who will encourage and accompany you on this path to rejuvenated strength and mobility. Their support can be invaluable. Remember, you're not just nourishing your body today but investing in future-proofing your health for years to come. Engage in this process with anticipation for positive change, and let your unique story unfold one step, one meal at a time. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's take a moment to revisit the powerful insights we've explored together. We've uncovered the often overlooked but profound impact that targeted nutrition can have on revitalizing leg strength and overall neuromuscular health. By demystifying common misconceptions around aging and muscle loss, we learned that chronic cellular undernourishment, inflammation, and disrupted circadian rhythms, not age alone, often drive these changes. We've delved into the significance of motor neurons and the role of neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, and we've highlighted how nutrients like leucine and choline can be game changers in restoring strength and stability. Armed with this scientifically backed knowledge, you now have the tools to transform your well-being, combat the effects of aging, and embrace a renewed sense of independence and confidence. Now that you're equipped with these valuable strategies, I encourage you to take the first step in integrating them into your daily routine. Start small. Try incorporating an extra serving of choline-rich eggs for breakfast or a leucine-packed protein source in your evening meals. See how these adjustments make you feel over the coming weeks. And for those eager to continue this journey with us, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to more science-based health insights, practical tips, and empowering stories designed to help you live your healthiest life. Before we close, I want to leave you with a powerful reminder: true strength comes from within. With the right knowledge and tools at your disposal, your body possesses remarkable resilience and an incredible capacity for recovery. These strategies are more than just dietary changes. They're a pathway to enhancing your quality of life, allowing you to partake more fully in the activities and experiences you love. Thank you for tuning in today, and for embarking on this journey towards stronger, healthier legs, and a more vibrant, empowered you. We look forward to being a part of your continued success. Here's to your health and vitality,